Now, all this, as we said, arises due to the prejudice or the stereotype that exists in the society or the mental framework that a person has. The best example we can say here is like in some religion, girls are not allowed for education, means they are not allowed to go to schools. So, this is a kind of stereotype that exists, but however in Kerala, the 60% of the teachers are female. The government has run specific buses to go to the rural area, so that the female teachers can go to the rural area and teach the students. As per the recent survey, it has been observed that girls are not allowed to go to school not because of the religion factor but basically because of poverty. So the stereotype is slowly and gradually changing, or there has been a correct dimension that has been brought up to the stereotype. Now, B.R. Ambedkar, who is also known as the father of Indian Constitution and a great leader to fight for the rights of Dalits. First time he experienced the untouchability when he was 9 years old in the year 1901. Well, he was trying to board a train in Kokangaon in Maharashtra. And in other station his father was about to receive him, but he did not turn up for some reason, and later on he talked to station master. But the station master, instead of helping him, he asked his caste first. And when Miss Dr. B.R. Ambedkar replied that he belonged to Mahar caste, well, during that time, Mahar caste were considered as untouchables in Bombay Presidency region. So no one came forward to help him, including the station master. Overall, what was the result? They were stuck over there in station and no one was ready to help them out. Finally, one bullock cart came. Even by knowing their caste, he helped them, and that was a kind of caste discrimination that was faced by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar during 1901 period. Similar type of discrimination yet are faced by some people in our country. So, all these are related to caste system or untouchabilities that are prevalent in the society. The caste system is considered as a kind of ladder system where the upper caste is at the top of the ladder system and the Dalits are at the bottom of the ladder system. So, the ladder system of that time can be described in the following ways. On the top comes Brahmins, for example, priests. Then comes Kshatriyas, for example, warriors and rulers. Then we have Vaishyas, for example, merchants and skilled traders. After that, we have Sudras, for example, unskilled laborers. And lastly, we have Dalit, or you can say scheduled caste, who, for example, cleaners and untouchables. These Dalits later on, under the Constitution of India, came up or renamed with scheduled caste. Also we called as SC. The word Dalit itself means broken. It is the technical meaning of this term. So later various leaders came up who fought for the right of the Dalit student. People came up to fight for the inequalities and many reforms took place during that time. Hence, here we conclude with the third part of the video. Thank you.